All right, back from Hawaii, back to reality. Kind of depressing, to be honest with you, to go from Hawaii to this weather. It's like, 40 degrees outside right now. It was 80 degrees, but feeling a little bit under the weather. So if I sound a little bit sick, I'm sorry about that. But what we're going to do today is actually install the XHP transmission tune. One of the reasons why I'm doing that is because I'm having a little bit of slippage from fourth to fifth, fifth to sixth, and so on. But I don't think this is the ultimate solution if you are having transmission slip. The car is making around 600 foot-pounds of torque right now. One of the reasons why I haven't, upped the power from where it is now, let's say 550 on pump gas, a little bit more on E85, is the transmission needs to get rebuilt. So this is more of a band-aid instead of the ultimate solution if you want to run big power on the Supra. So, and it's kind of pricey, to be honest with you, one of the reasons why I haven't done it yet. But I did buy the XHP transmission tune about a couple months ago, just haven't tried it out only because it's been 30, 40 degrees out, and there's no way to actually test it out and get on the car. And it rains a lot here in this greater Seattle area. But I got my dongle here. I got this from Mashimaro. This is the MHD tuning little dongle. So let's go ahead and just get this started. I'm not going to do a full review. There's so many videos on the XHP transmission flash tune. I'll put a couple of videos down in the description below if you want some more information on some people who are more experienced on the XHP transmission tune than I am. This is my first time actually trying it on my car. So I think Vince, another guy, Kern, has awesome, good information on the XHP transmission tune. So let's go ahead and get this installed, and hopefully I don't jack anything up. All right, so we are now in the Supra, and we're gonna install our little dongle that we got right here. I forgot which way does it go, this way or that way? I think it goes this way. So for the sake of time and not making this video a 30-minute video, I will be posting this full install video in a separate unlisted link down in the description below. I was having trouble with the app and connecting to the dongle, etc. But for the meantime, let's go ahead and get this installed and show you my reaction to the XHP transmission tune. See when we get on the highway when I could really get the revs up, and then we'll see how it does then. It's about 53 degrees out right now, so hopefully we can get some traction. Loving the paddles, by the way. I'm telling you guys, if you guys have not looked at or considered the magnetic paddles, I'm telling you, they are so worth it. Also, these wide angle mirrors, visibility is so much better. I know I didn't really speak much on it on my install video, but I just want to let you guys know, definitely worth it. Gotta have it. Oh shit, hell yeah. Damn, that fucking clamps. Oh, excuse my language. Yeah, wow. The shifts are slightly faster, and you can actually feel the clamping force much harder. Stage 3, wow. Some wheel spin there though. The tires are at 61 degrees right now. Slow down a little bit. Probably get some wheel spin. Oh shit, hell yeah. That is so much better. I'm no longer getting that slip from fourth to fifth. Heck yeah. Dude, this is so worth it. I think the whole package with the dongle and the license was about, I don't know, 500 bucks. But yeah, you can definitely tell. You don't have that lag from fourth to fifth. And if you are doing some, let's say, roll racing at a sanctioned event, you're not going to get that delay. I mean, that could be, a win or a loss. Wow, I wish I filmed an example of that delay that I had before, but it just would go to red line and then slowly back down. That's a little bit of an exaggeration, but go to fifth and then, but this one it just goes to fifth and then boom, fourth. Wow, so much better. Definitely worked. Why did I wait so long? Oh yeah, because of the weather. I wasn't gonna be able to try it out, but now the weather is starting to get better. I can actually start using it. I don't know why this truck is going so dang slow. Welcome to the Pacific Northwest. I mean, that dude, he's driving 50 miles an hour, speed matching is much better too. Oh yeah. The farts are louder too, the upshift farts. So stage 3, fully automatic normal mode, non-sport mode. Let's see how it does. I never drive this in fully automatic mode. It feels weird. So far so good. I'm going 39, 40 miles an hour and it's already in 7th gear. I think we can tune that out so it won't jump up to the highest gear. I think so, don't quote me on that. Wow. Not bad. Fully automatic mode. And we are in 8th gear. All right. right, guys, so first impressions of the transmission tune, absolutely positive. I honestly think that, you know, even if you are stock, you should get a transmission tune. 100% it really complements your tune. And, you know, even in a stock transmission, you know, there is a slight delay. You're just not getting the best performance out of your transmission if you are on the stock a transmission map. So 100%, you know, all in, you're talking about what, $500 ish, give or take, for a transmission tune. But I think it's definitely well worth it, especially all of the customizability that you can do with the XHP transmission flash. But, you know, there it is. I'm going to do a more intensive review of this transmission tune once I, you know, mess with all the settings and have a little bit more driving time. You know, I have about 20 minutes of time with the transmission tune. But with all that said, stay tuned, more videos. I got some more parts in those boxes right there and some suspension components, non-glamorous stuff. I don't know if I'm going to film all that stuff, to be honest with you. Track days coming up in the future. But once again, if you guys are looking for a transmission tune, highly recommended, stock or modified. Check out the links in the description below. And you know what? We will talk to you guys later. See you guys in the next one, because I'm tired and I need to get some sleep. Peace out, guys.